Hello grade 2, this is Miss Nuran Abu Shofa. Our math lesson today is about recognizing all coins and notes, the American currency, which is the dollar. The American currency is divided between notes and coins as any other currency, like the dinars and Turkish lira and any other currency you know. It always it has notes and coins. Notes. This is the dollars. We have $1 note, $2 note, $5 note, $10 note, $20 note, $50 note, and $100 note. As coins, we have the cents, which is we have 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, and 50 cents. Why do we use these coins and notes? We use them to buy things from any shop we want. So why do we use the coins and the notes? Why do you use the money? We use money to buy anything we want from any shop all over the world. You know that in Libya we deal by dinars, but in other countries we usually deal by dollars and euro. In our curriculum we're supposed to know how to deal with the dollars only. We should know during this lesson how to find out the total. To find out the total, you should add the notes together and add the coins together. How are we supposed to do something like that? Let's take a look here at this example. Me and my friends had decided to have a picnic or to camp in the forest. To camp, I needed to go to the shop and I wanted to buy a water container and a sleeping bag. I already have my tent. I don't need tent, I don't need tent. So I need a water container. It costs $6.50, and a sleeping bag which costs $5.40. I bought them both and I went to the cashier to pay my money. How can I know how much do they cost together? I am supposed to know, or I'm supposed to find the total. To find the total, we should add the prices of each thing we want to buy. So, the first thing I wanted to buy is a water container. As I said, $6.50, so I wrote 6.50. And the other thing is sleeping bag, $5.40. So I wrote under $5.40. Now let's add together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 4, 5 on our head, 4 in our fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Now, the point is after two numbers. That means I will put the point after two numbers also in the total. 6 plus 5, after 6, 6 on our head, 5 on our fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. That's why I wrote 11 down here. So these two costs to $11.90 as a total. As another example, my friend went to the same shop because she went to buy the things she need to camp with me. She went to buy a tent. She needs a tent and a water container. The ones highlighted in orange. The tent was for $22.50 and the water container was for $6.50. So the same thing, by addition we find out the total. So what did I do? $22.50 and $6.50. As I mentioned in the beginning, cents with cents, dollars with dollars. Now 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I'll put 0 and I don't write 1 here. No, the 1 goes up on the 2. I will put down the point because, as I said, if the point after 2 numbers, so it stays the same in the answer after 2 numbers. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 and 6 is 9. So I'll write 9 down. And then 2 doesn't have anything here, so it goes down as it is. So the total is $29 for a tent and a water container. You know that we have another way to find out the total, which is by adding the notes together. 22 and 6. 22 and 6 is 28. And add the coins together, cents together. You know that 50 cents and 50 cents equals $1. So 22 plus 6 is 28 plus $1 equals 29. As you see here, second way, what I did is $22 plus $6, these two, I put them together, equals $28, and then I took the cents together, cents with cents. 50 cents plus 50 cents is $1. So at the end, $28 plus $1 equals 29. So we can work it by both these ways. Now, how to work out change? I went to the cashier and I found in my pocket that I have a $50 note. This is the $50 note. The things I wanted to buy were for $29, and I have $50 note. How can I know how much should the cashier give me back? By subtracting the amount of money you have and the amount of money you should pay. So you will subtract the amount of money you will pay from the amount of money you have. What I did is $50 minus 29. $50, this is my money, and the money I want to pay is $29. So I wrote $50 minus 29. Now 0 minus 9, I'm not able to do this, so I borrowed one from 5, so the 5 became 4, and I took 1 for the 0, so the 0 became 10. Now 10 minus 9 equals 1. Moving on to the tens. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So it is $21. So the cashier should give me back $21. What does this mean? I give him the $50 note, he gives me back $21.